Hi, Deadlocks here again.
And today we're filming these handcuffs.
Well, that was different.
I never get to say anything in the beginning.
Fair enough.
I wanted to join in for once.
What we're actually looking at is the beef.
The beef.
Which,
The beef key. The key to the beef.
Michael Lyths sent me some of these that he'd made.
Which is the key to the beef.
He sent us them to try out on cuffs and try and hone it into a good escape tool. So I've been messing with it.
While Mr. Deadlocks has been messing with that, I've been tie-dyeing.
Yes, she has.
It's been fun. I made a mess.
Yes, she did.
But anyway, back to the beef.
I did try making a few different styles like this, particularly that point, which turns out that's very bendy. Didn't work very well. And ended up reverting back to this design again. It was a little bit thick that way near the base, so I thinned it out after some faffing. This is what I came up with, and that is getting me through a bunch of cuffs now,
which is amazing.
The other thing that Michael sent though was that one which he made, which is a shim.
Shim, shim, shim.
Which is shockingly effective. It's a little short, but because of the material that's available with these keys, that's about as long as it can be. So basically it'll shim anything that doesn't have any anti-shim.
Ones, but I think you have to buy like industrial sized corned beef.
I'm not doing that.
You can make like an industrial corned beef and potato pie and donate it to the food kitchen.
Let's see. Anyway, these are my ASP Model 200s. Already know that they'll open the Model 100s because I've done that in a video the other day. But these ones have the same mechanism, but the plastic housing is a lot thicker, which makes them harder to get into. So there's, there's our double lock set, which you can see by the fact that the yellow thing is missing from that window. The thicker plastic housing on these cuffs doesn't really make that easy, but there we go. You can see yellow's back and the cuff will turn. So there's a double lock dealt with. That's for a bit of a change. We'll go with a shim now. So these with the tricky housing doesn't work the best. There we go. Not sure why it doesn't work the best.
Because you're
I think
I don't know.
because of the chunky housing and that, I'm only actually getting it into about there. Only pushing down a little bit, but shimmed out, shimmed open.
Good and dusted.
ASP Model 100 cannot beat the beef.
Can you beat the beef?
Anyway, that's all from us. I think you'll be seeing some more from this little guy.
Is it a little guy, is it?
And this one. See you next time.
You've got a couple of little guys, have you?
Have.
Bye.
Bye.
Push the button. Don't sing the song. So you'll get copyrighted.
What?
This is a song.
I'm like concentrating on this, and then like I've just realised that you're just doing.
Just doing me.